Christmas! It's that time of year again, guys. We're gonna do the freeze drying supplies 12 days of Christmas giveaway. This year we're giving away more than $4,200 worth of prizes, and this will be the biggest giveaway that we have done, bigger than the previous years. So let's go over each day and what we're giving away each single day. And if you stick around to the end of the video, then we'll show you how to enter into the giveaway. Day one, we're giving away a freeze dryer hose grommet and a package of parchment paper of your choice that will fit your size freeze dryer.
Day two, we're giving away these locking tray stackers.
And the no-suck designed by me.
Day three, we're doing a cordless mason jar sealer. Day four is an insulating door pillow and a $20 gift card to freeze drying supplies. Day five is our new freeze dryer essentials kit, which includes 100 sheets of parchment paper for your size freeze dryer, stackers for your size freeze dryer, and a 2 set of dividers. Day 6 is a full set of tray dividers for your freeze dryer. Day 7 of the giveaway is my favorite product, the food funnel. Day 8 is volume 1 and volume 2 of the freeze drying cookbooks, as well as the freeze drying handbook. Day 9 is the food storage starter kit, which includes 50 Mylar storage bags, 50 oxygen absorbers, and a food funnel. Day 10 is where things start to get interesting. Day 10, we're giving away an ethereal countertop food composter. These are super handy for folks that freeze dry, and we'll have a video coming up on these real soon. Day 11, we're giving away an Avid Armor USB 32 vacuum chamber sealer, just like this one. The final day of the giveaway, we're giving away a Harvestright Medium Pro Freeze Dryer. There's no purchase necessary to win any of the prizes in this year's giveaway. We've made it super simple to sign up. You just need to follow the link down in the description of the video or in the bio of the video. Enter your email to join our email list, and that's it. You're entered for the giveaway. The first day of the giveaway is December 14th, and we will announce the winner of each day's giveaway prize on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, as well as sending an email to the winner. Last, I want to say thanks to everyone's support through Freeze Drying Supplies, the YouTube channel, and also our Facebook group. Without you, we would not be able to do this giveaway every year, and we really look forward to doing this giveaway. Happy holidays, happy freeze drying, and good luck. The final day of the giveaway, we're giving away a Harvestright The final day of the giveaway, we're giving away a medium, I can't.
Merry Christmas. I'm getting hot.
1, 2, 3.